Hi Magnolia, it's time for Sound of the Week. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song. Ready? Sound of the Week, Sound of the Week, Sound of the Week, Sound of the Week, Sound of the Week. I wasn't going to bring Clover again this week, but then I realized she's Sound of the Week. Our sound this week is and I hear in clover. I also hear it in tiger and, watermelon. What do you hear in? So many things, I bet. I can't wait to look in the basket and see. But first, let's look at the sound Are you ready, Clover? Is made up of two other sounds, right? I see, that's right, and right? And together say like watermelon and tiger. Let's trace Oops, there's cat hair on it. Clover. Watch. Can you get out your invisible pencil with me? Let's start big. Ready? Itty bitty teeny tiny baby. Medium size Ready? Let's look in the basket and see what you brought for Sound of the Week this week.